Yep, you hear that? That's our sump pump alarm. We have been flooded. The whole basement is flooded. You can't see because it's dark. We turned off all the power. I'm just going to step my foot in here so you can see. That's how deep our whole basement is. Good morning to you. This sucks, this sucks, this sucks. It's not a sunshiny day today. I gotta get Oliver! I told everybody, I'm just gonna go out on the weekends. There's nothing like looking in the mirror and seeing your fat self. Boost my confidence right up. Oh yeah. Yeah. Man, Gwenda's getting married tomorrow.
I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong.
The bells are gonna chime. I can't believe I remember that.
Yeah, I know.
All the food.
All the food.
We're done eating.
There's so much left over.
We had so much food, so much fun. I thought I left my SD card at home. That's my brother. It's okay. He's allowed to do that. Makeup! But I found it in my computer. I brought my computer now. I'm going to take some of this with me because it was really, really good. I hope it stays good so I can eat it tonight. We'll see. Everybody's cleaning up.
Well, if you want, you can use a real plate. It's up to you. You have some real ones.
Nobody, you said
Where are you? Here you go, girls.
And just so you know, he will grab himself. Really quick. He will.
It's a boy thing.
It really is.
Oliver.
Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning.
Come on, Bob. Come here. Get you out of the middle.
Oh my gosh. It's been one heck of a day. Right now they've got all the water off of our carpet, but it's still soaked, so they're trying to dry it. I'm pretty sure they're going to rip it up and probably take down the drywall too. We probably have about $50,000 worth of damage. It saddens me so much. It saddens me a lot. Alright, I think we're about to head to the hotel. Let's go. Kaylee's blowing up the floaty. Kaylee. And Oliver's just watching intently like, oh good, I'm going to get to go swimming. He loves to go swimming. Kaylee decided to stay in our room tonight because she wants her own bed. Little does she know I'm putting Oliver in her bed with her.
That's fine.
No, I'm not going to do that. Yeah. He'll sleep with me. He'll sleep with his mommy. And then I get the pack and play for the baby. Parker's in the pool. Parker! What you doing, buddy? He is just chilling with his cousin Kaylee. Having a blast. You're having a blast? You're braver than your brother. Yes, you are. You're braver than your brother. He digs it. He's like, I dig it. He digs it. Parker, jump! Jump! He loves it. He loves it. He loves the water. Oh my gosh. Parker, ooh, I just got a breeze. And Oliver doesn't want to get in. What are you doing? Splash! Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog because it's like past midnight. Hold on, it's past midnight and me and my niece got Subway and week. I'm sure this summer. Anyway, it's been a long day. I haven't been able to vlog too much, but I do hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Periscope. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.